everyone, welcome to Amy's Daily Food. Today I will show you stir-fry pointed peppers and eggs, called 尖椒炒鸡蛋. It's one of my favorite dishes with spicy taste, which consumes several bowls of rice. What are the ingredients for this dish? You need to have 4 pointed peppers, about 200 grams, 3 big-sized eggs and seasonings, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oil, a part of scallion, about 10 grams. Also, you can choose other pepper with strong peppery taste. Let's get started. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them thoroughly with chopsticks or whisk. You need to repeat this motion many times. As you know, well-mixed egg liquid is more tender for scrambled eggs. Next up, working with point peppers. Get 1 pepper, cut in half. Remove the core and the root. Get the seeds off, then cut into shreds. Do the same with the rest of the peppers. It's better to protect your hands with rubber gloves when you cut them. As customary, you also need to chop the scallion. Put the wok on fire. Over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, pour into the egg liquid. Stir fry until cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Wash and dry the wok back on the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Over medium heat, toss in chopped scallions. Stir in for seconds. Then add pointed peppers. Light soy sauce. Salt. Keep stirring. Don't stop. Avoid burning. About 2 minutes. Don't over stir fry them, or they'll lose their crispness. Then stir in the scrambled eggs, well combined in the shortest time. Turn off the heat. It's done. Time to enjoy it with rice. Thank you for watching. If you love Chinese cooking, subscribe for more videos. See you next time.